PENG stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Penguin Solutions stock is a buy or not for me. So PNG is just a consolidating market here. At least all I'm trying to say. Because if I zoom out, bro, this is a weekly chart. It's not looking good whatsoever. I mean, yes, I saw like one break here. That's about it. Like, nothing changes the fact that this is still this bearish range. And the likelihood that the lows are going to get cleared is still quite high. And I don't even see much volatility here neither. So yeah, maybe if it does, zoom up and shows me any sort of shift, then and only then I'm going to look to take things down. And if there's no double break or really nothing, I'm not going to look to sell. That's my 2 cents. Obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's that free sauce. Other than that, everything else is going to be noise. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.